All right, so let's talk about your email platform. This isn't really the most sexy topic, but it's something we have to talk about here in the foundation because your email platform has to accomplish some things for you. And we use G Suite. We love Google, we love G Suite. We anticipate that we'll be able to use that platform forever. I use it in all of my businesses, not just my real estate business, but I believe it's gotta be cloud-based. Got to be able to get it from anywhere. I like the analogy of, if I lost my computer, I dropped it, someone stole it, it wouldn't matter. I could go right to Best Buy or the Apple Store, buy a new one, turn it on, and be up and running again in minutes. So cloud-based for me is a must. It's got to provide a professional appearance. So with G Suite, what you can do is you can have your domain so that all of your email is john@yourdomain.com. You're building a real estate business, whether you're brand new or experienced, you can't have emails coming out from your company from all different places, from Outlook and Hotmail and Yahoo. Like, you need a professional appearance and you need all of those emails to come from the company, from that domain. It allows you to set up multiple users. You can control the visibility of the users. So, if a new person starts, you can get them going right away. And consequently, if somebody moves on or leaves from your company, you can shut that down immediately. It also gives you the ability on G Suite with Google Vault to have access to any of the confidential information should you need it if someone were to leave. It also allows you to set up things like calendars. So you can have multiple calendars for your company and multiple people sharing calendars, and you can control all of that from within there. And then I love Drive because it allows me to put important company documents that people need to get access to, policies and protocols, and also training references right in the Drive section of Google. So really be thinking about your email platform. It is a foundational component of your business. Make sure that you have one that's professional. Make sure that it's cloud-based, allows you to set up multiple users, gives you visibility and control over those users. Definitely needs to have some kind of a calendar functionality or feature so that you guys can all stay on the same page. And that's really gonna help you, set up the systems and the rest of the tools in your company.